Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stunning Mediterranean landscaping design ideas and tips to bring the charm of the Mediterranean Tuscan paradise to your outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For those seeking to create a luxurious outdoor oasis that evokes the charm of the Mediterranean, look no further than the captivating world of Mediterranean landscaping design. This captivating style, inspired by the sun-drenched regions bordering the Mediterranean Sea, transcends mere aesthetics, offering a functional and visually stunning approach to outdoor living. Mediterranean landscaping design draws inspiration from the natural beauty and climate of the Mediterranean region. Characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters, this style prioritizes drought-tolerant plants, water-conserving practices, and the creation of inviting outdoor spaces for entertaining and relaxation. Think terracotta pots overflowing with vibrant blooms, olive trees casting dappled shade, and gravel pathways winding through a haven of captivating textures and scents. There are numerous advantages to embracing the Mediterranean aesthetic for your backyard. Here are just a few, such as: first, low-maintenance beauty. Mediterranean plants are renowned for their resilience and ability to thrive in hot, dry climates. This translates to less time spent watering and maintaining your landscape, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space more. Second, water conservation. By utilizing drought-tolerant plants and gravel instead of thirsty lawns, Mediterranean landscaping significantly reduces water consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice. Third, year-round interest. Mediterranean gardens boast a vibrant palette throughout the seasons. Evergreen shrubs and perennials provide year-round structure, while flowering plants add bursts of color during warmer months. Fourth, tranquil escape. The calming combination of natural elements, muted tones, and the soothing sound of water features creates a serene atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Fifth, increased property value. A well-designed Mediterranean landscape can enhance your home's curb appeal and potentially increase its value. Ready to transform your backyard into a Mediterranean retreat? Here are some key steps to consider. First, plan and assess. Before diving in, meticulously assess your yard's size, sun exposure, and drainage. Sketch a rough layout incorporating key elements like patios, walkways, and planting zones. Second, embrace hardscaping. Mediterranean landscapes feature prominent hardscaping elements like patios, pergolas, and retaining walls. Opt for natural materials like stone, terracotta, and stucco for an authentic feel. Third, incorporate water features. The soothing sound of trickling water adds a touch of serenity to any Mediterranean space. Consider a small fountain, bird bath, or reflecting pool to create a focal point. Fourth, plant selection. Choose drought-tolerant plants that thrive in your climate. Focus on fragrant herbs, colorful flowers, and evergreen shrubs for year-round interest. Fifth, accessorize with style. Complete the look with decorative elements like terracotta pots, wrought iron furniture, and colorful throw pillows. Don't forget strategically placed lighting to enhance the ambience after sunset. And to complete your inspiration, hear these: the compilation of top 10 best Mediterranean landscaping design ideas. 1. Create a focal point. A bubbling fountain, a charming bird bath, or a stunning olive tree can instantly elevate your space. 2. Embrace gravel pathways. Replace water-hungry lawns with decorative gravel paths for a low-maintenance and attractive alternative. 3. Integrate terracotta accents. Terracotta pots, urns, and planters add a touch of rustic charm and warmth to your Mediterranean retreat. 4. Utilize climbing vines. Let vibrant bougainvillea, fragrant jasmine, or wisteria cascade over pergolas and walls, creating fragrant shade and vertical interest. 5. Incorporate citrus trees. Lemon, lime, or orange trees add a touch of the Mediterranean while providing delicious homegrown fruit. 6. Embrace container gardening. Group potted plants to create colorful displays on patios and walkways. 7. Add a touch of lavender. The fragrant blooms and silvery foliage of lavender not only enhance the look but also attract pollinators. 8. Don't forget the herbs. Fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano add a culinary touch and beautiful fragrance to your space. 9. Integrate statuary. A classic bust or a weathered urn can add a touch of sophistication and historical reference. 10. Embrace outdoor lighting. String lights, lanterns, and strategically placed spotlights create a magical ambience for evening gatherings. By incorporating the principles of Mediterranean landscaping design, you can create a captivating outdoor haven that exudes elegance, tranquility, and low-maintenance beauty. So, unleash your inner Italian villa designer and embark on a journey to transform your backyard into a sun-drenched paradise. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.